We have a new tool in Brightspace called Video Assignments. This tool is located under Course Content and then Existing Activities. And you scroll down and Video Assignment. You also can have it added to your navigation bar up top here. It could be its own little point. And instead of adding it in the middle of your content, they both go to the same place. So this is an external learning object, which means a company other than Brightspace has partnered with Brightspace to supply this video software. In this case, the partner company is UCU. You see down bottom? So we have Maple TA, we have Peer Scholar, we have UCU, we have many sort of plugins. This all appears seamless to the students and no additional username or password is required on their part. So at this point we see that we have no assignments yet, of course, and it may not be completely intuitive, but the button in the lower right, the plus sign, gives you your options. So you have 4 options here. You can create an individual assignment, which is the normal thing to do. You can create a group assignment, which is good for presentations. You can create an assignment where the instructor puts up a video and the students are given questions and answers. They have to supply the answers to questions, I should say. And the 4th is an interactive video assignment, and this is where they might need to comment or answer questions again, similar to this 3rd type right here. So we're going to choose individual assignment. Of course, you have to give it a name, decide on the due date, decide what the date and the time. That's optional. You can decide on your grade percentage, or if you're going to grade it using a rubric. You could just give them pass or fail. You could give them an auto pass in a case where you might just want them to introduce themselves with a video, so this is not going to be graded. And you can also give them a star rating from 1 to 5 stars. So that's your options in terms of grading. The grades get transferred immediately back into your Gradebook. They sync automatically. So I'm going to choose Auto Pass. I can put up a video of instructions of what I'd like them to do, or I could put in text instructions. Please introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, what program you wish to complete, and your future goals after graduating. Peer review, as I mentioned earlier, is part of Peer Scholar, another plugin these days that Brightspace is making use of. And you can decide if you want the people in the class to review the video. For instance, it could be an assignment where they put up a screencast of a PowerPoint and they're discussing it, and then other people in the class could give them constructive feedback. So I'm going to toggle that off because I don't really need them to peer review, but at the same time I want them to see everyone's videos. So you could turn that on or off. We're going to save that, and it's been successfully created, so that's all there is to it. And you can look at the gradebook, you can configure details, copy this as you wish. So we'll just take a look at the gradebook. So this has no students in there yet, but everything would seamlessly transfer over, as I mentioned. So if you would like more information on that, just let one of your instructional designers know, and we will gladly help you either insert it in your content or put it under your assessment link or out on its own as a link. Students have the ability to upload videos from their phone if it was a lab type situation, or they could have a screencast where they capture their screen, or it could be a video of them doing an assignment, just their face and audio. So that's about it, and if you, any more information, just let us know.